So these are the types of roll up operations are there. Which are those types? The first operation is roll up, second one is drill down, third one is slice and dice, and last one is pivot. So all these four operations are there: roll up, drill down, slice and dice, and last one is pivot. So each one we are going to talk about in a detailed way. So the first operation is called as roll up. As the name itself suggests, we are going to roll and we are going to do the up. So it is this roll up operation is also called as the consolidation. It is also called as the aggregation. Why they are called as the consolidation and aggregation? Because we are going to aggregate and we are going to roll, we are going to consolidate. How we are going to aggregate? How we are going to aggregate? There are two phases are there. The phase one is the number one phase number one is reducing the dimensions, and phase number two is climbing up the concept hierarchy. I am going to climb up, I am going to move up in the concept hierarchy. What do you mean by concept hierarchy? I will give you the example of this particular roll up operation that will make you more clear. Right? But by the way, I will repeat it one more time. What happens in roll operation? There are two phases in roll up operation. This roll up operation is also called as consolidation and aggregation, or consolidation or aggregation. These are the two phases. First one is reducing dimension and second one is climbing up the concept hierarchy. Right? Means what? Now this concept hierarchy is what? This concept hierarchy is the system of grouping the things based on the based on some orderly manner. How? See, this diagram will make you more clear. The example will give you more clear idea. See, here I am having, if you are able to see, here I am having the original operation. You can see this is the original cube. This is the original cube. What is there in this original cube? See, here what is there in original cube? Here I am having. Are you able to see? Well, I'll zoom it in. See, what I am having here. I am having here what? I am having here quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4, one dimension. Then I am having PC, book, shoe and clothes, another dimension. And one more dimension I am having, that is nothing but the locations or cities. So here you can see New Jersey, Los Angeles and Perth and Sydney. So these are the what I can say, these are the locations. The three dimensions are, you can see here there are three dimensions. The dimension number one is locations, which is on the z direction, z dimension or z axis. On the x axis I am having the items, which are the different items are there, and on the y axis I am having the time, right? Or you can say it is called as quarters. So this is the data I am having. Now depending on this data, what I want to do, I want to roll up. Roll up means what? We are going to aggregate something. What we are going to aggregate? We are going to aggregate something means what? We are going to roll up. We are going to move to the upper side. We are going to club together. We are going to club some attributes together. How we are going to club some attributes together? You can see. See, if you are able to see here, if you are observing this particular part, so now there are only here whatever the New Jersey and Los Angeles are there, they belongs to same locations, they belongs to same country, USA. That's why I am putting them in one attribute. And I am having Perth and Sydney. You can see this Perth and Sydney are in Australia, so that's why I am combining them into Australia as a, right? So whenever how the value will get combined, now see how the value will get combined, that also I'll talk about. See, if you are able to see की Los Angeles मध्ये किती आहे, whatever the data of for the PC for this particular item I am talking about. If I am talking about for PC, for this particular item, for this particular PC only, then for PC you can see here for Los Angeles I am having 1560 and for New Jersey I am having 440. So if I am combining this together, because they belong to the uh, USA, that's why I can put together. So here I will be getting 2000. Likewise here for Perth and Sydney, whatever the data I will be having, that I can put here. right? Here I can put that data here at this particular cell. Okay, so likewise I will be able to go in the I will be able to go upward in the dimension hierarchy. I will be able to go upward in the dimension hierarchy. How I am moving to upward from the direction hierarchy? आता मला सांगा कॉन्सेप्ट हायरार्की मध्ये पहिल्यांदा कंट्री येतं की पहिल्यांदा सिटी येतात? पहिल्यांदा कंट्री येतं, कंट्री नंतर सिटीज येतात, सिटीज नंतर विल बी मूविंग टू दी डेप्थ, राईट? कंट्री, देन states, then we are moving to the cities, then we are moving to the towns and so on, right? So these are the I have moved. You can see previously I was here on the cities. पहिल्यांदा मी कुठे होतो? या cities मध्ये होतो. Now you can see I am identifying based on the countries. Okay, this is called as roll up. Now, so this is the one example of the roll up. Now we are going to talk about what do you mean by drill down. But before moving to the drill down, let me clarify this. You can see the New Jersey and Los Angeles belongs to the USA. That's why they are combined into USA. And the cells are also combined together, because here New Jersey and Los Angeles, whatever the combined cells are there, that you can see here in this particular block, and uh, in the orange color or yellow color. Okay, now one more thing, in the roll up process, you can read this point, last point. In this process, in the roll up process, at least one or more dimension needs to be removed. At least one dimension or more dimension needs to be removed. For example, you can see here I am having, previously I am having here these locations of the cities. Now it has been moved. Okay, so now I am having drill down. So what do you mean by drill down? It is exactly opposite of this. The second operation is drill down. What do you mean by drill down, and what happens in drill down operation? It is exactly opposite as that of the uh, roll up. Roll up, it is exactly opposite of the roll up. रोल अप मध्ये जे आपण करतो त्याच्या एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट मध्ये आपण ड्रिल डाउन मध्ये करतो. व्हॉट हॅपन्स इन ड्रिल डाउन? It happens in two phases. The phase number one is moving up, moving down to the concept hierarchy. In roll up we are moving up in the concept hierarchy, and we are increasing the dimension. There we were decreasing the dimensions, right? There we were decreasing the dimension, here we are increasing the dimensions. How? See, this concept, this you are able to see. This is my original, what I can say, let me zoom it in. See, here I am having locations, as we have seen the same example. Here I am having locations, here I am having, sorry, here I am having locations, here I am having time, and here I am having the items, right? So when I am drilling down from quarters to month, when I am drilling down, you can see here I am having quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. Now you can see these quarters are being divided into months. So this is my first quarter, this is my second quarter, this is my third quarter, and so on, right? So these are the four quarters, accordingly it will get distributed, right? आता बघा, this particular sale, if I am considering that the cloths for quarter 1, the sale was rupees, sale whatever the rupees or dollars, it was 400. So now it has been divided into January, February, and March. In January it was 150 rupees, in January it was 150 rupees, in February it is 100 rupees, and in March it is 150 rupees. So if I am combining this together, what I will get? I will get here 400, right? So the cloths, for the sale of cloths in quarter 1 was 400, right? So in this way you can see I am drilling down to the depth, right? Previously I was in quarters. Now from quarters, if I want to check की जानेवारी महिन्यामध्ये काय सेल होता, फेब्रुवारी महिन्यामध्ये काय सेल होता, मार्च महिन्यामध्ये काय सेल होता, दॅट आय कॅन आयडेंटिफाय. याच्यापेक्षा जर मला डेप्थमध्ये जायचं असेल तर हाऊ आय कॅन डू वीक वाईज. जानेवारीमध्ये पहिल्या वीकमध्ये काय सेल होता, दुसऱ्या वीकमध्ये काय सेल होता, तिसऱ्या वीकमध्ये काय सेल होता, अँड सो ऑन. याच्यापेक्षा जर मला डेप्थमध्ये जायचं असेल तर पहिल्या वीकमध्ये पहिल्या डेमध्ये काय सेल होता, पहिल्या वीकमध्ये दुसऱ्या डेमध्ये काय सेल होता, दॅट ऑल्सो आय कॅन called it, that also I can analyze. So that is called as drilling down. I am drilling down in the depth, right? Roll up means what? I am moving in the upward in the concept hierarchy, and in drill down I am decreasing the concept hierarchy, right? I am drilling down means I am going in depth of the concept hierarchy. So hope so you people are getting whatever I am trying to tell you. So this is the, what I can say, drill down, the roll up and drill down. They are exactly opposite to each other. Okay. Now I will record another video.